Houses in Piedmont, when dreams come true. Houses in Piedmont, find your dream home. Houses in Piedmont, when dreams come true.
Clients of Houses in Piedmont, we are pleased to present an independent farmhouse with 3,200 sqm of land, located just 15 minutes from Alba and 5 minutes from Neive and Canelli. The property spans 250 sqm and is structurally sound but requires internal renovation. Its generous size offers the opportunity to create multiple living units or a charming bed and breakfast. A perfect choice for those looking for a convenient location with easy access to all services. Don't miss this opportunity. Visit our website at www.housesinpiedmont.com or click the link in the description. For more information, you can contact us at 01732873873 or via WhatsApp at 3922138981. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Houses in Piedmont, find your dream home.